In this video I am going to be showing you how to create finest quality AI images for absolutely free. First you are gonna have to get the NightCafé AI image generator from the first link in the description and sign in. It is pretty simple as any other app. Once you have signed in you will be brought to the homepage where you can see all the amazing contents these skilled creators has been generating. Then on the top left, you can see your profile. You will also notice that there is written 5 on it. It is the number of credits you currently have. Now, credits is the currency for this app. For every amazing creation you generate, it costs you 0.5 credits. So in the very beginning you can generate 10 high-quality AI images. Now tap in the Create option in the bottom left. It will take you to this page where you can generate finest of the AI images. Then select the Dream Shaper XL Lightning mode. There are also other modes that lets you generate amazing images. One of them is Dream Shaper V8, which is completely free. Then tap on the prompt box where you will have to write down the details about the image you want to create. For example, let's create a Lamborghini. As you can see I have write down the text. Now scroll down and tap on the Create button. After a few seconds the AI will create a fascinating image of what you want. It is that easy. Also you don't have to be worried about credits. Every day for login into the app, it will give you a 5 credits reward. And by unlocking the achievements you will earn even more. You can even earn credits by showing support to other creators. However, the fastest way to earn credits is through sharing the link of this amazing app to your friends and family members. Whenever someone signs into the app through your link you will earn credits. So why to wait? Get the best AI generator for absolutely free and start generating today. Check the first link in the description. Just don't use it for any bad cause. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See y'all again soon.